Those are my the shades from the shoot. Do you remember the time? Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Cass. I talk all about DIY budget-friendly content creation to enhance your brand business or just enhance your content creation in general, you guys. And today we're doing an IG model transformation. I thought it'd be fun to, intermingle a little beauty in these shoots. I'm really into fashion. I try to be into beauty. I like the idea of beauty, but I'm not really a makeup hair person. I typically stick with the same looks, but I thought it'd be fun to kind of do like a transformation of an Instagram model or for a photo shoot, any kind of transformation. I'm just going to call it Instagram model transformation because that's what I've seen these kind of videos be called. Hey y'all, so I'm going to knotless braid my hair. I kind of already started. But yeah, I'm on parted my hair. Hopefully it's still parted. I don't know. But we gonna try this out. So knotless braid my hair, see how it goes. If you're going into the Instagram model transformation, first of all, there's nothing that you have to change about yourselves. Honestly, you can shoot however you want, whatever kind of look that you want to shoot. You guys will see I get super excited when I do no makeup looks, just as excited as I am when I do a face beat. So it's really up to you what kind of look you want to go for. For this one, I was just like, you know what, I'm just gonna do a face beat. I'm gonna do my own knotless braids, at home knotless braids, and I decided I wasn't gonna get like my nails done or a new outfit. I was gonna try to come up with something out of my closet as close as possible to what I have in my Work That Fashion Pinterest board. So that's what we're doing today. So the first thing I did for the shoot was my braids. Pretty much I did need my mom's help to part my hair. She had to part my hair for me because I cannot part my hair in the back to save my life. I have tried everything. I am impatient when it comes to parting, so I just had my mom, I gave her rubber bands and she parted all my hair for me, and then I went on and I did my own knotless braids. I used like the flat method of knotless braids. I used one pack in all of my hair because I like them to be very light, but this is one of my favorite looks of all time. So that's what I did. I got the hair off of Amazon, and yeah, just knotless braiding my hair right quick. All right, y'all, so my hair is done. Let's go to my closet, pick out an outfit, bring it to the clothing rack. So when I initially was thinking about this shoot, I don't know why, I felt like I should wear sweatpants with like a sweatsuit with heels. I've been seeing that on Pinterest and I'm like, I feel like that's so like Instagrammy, like a sweatsuit with heels and maybe like a fur coat. I think I'm probably gonna shoot on my pink backdrop. So be like, I think I'm gonna do all black sweatsuit. So like I have this black hoodie here, and then I have these black Nike sweatpants that match the hoodie, like they're the same fabric. Then maybe with the black fur, since we're going into winter, layer up. It doesn't hurt to bring it. And then and then heels. So I'm thinking these heels, Public Desire. I think sunglasses though, for sure. Sunglasses. I envisioned these in my mind. I don't know why, but this is what I saw myself wearing. Maybe these. I haven't really worn these. Let's try out these babies. Alright, you guys, so I'm doing my makeup look now. I feel like, bushy brows, thick brows are very in right now. So I'm just filling in my brows, trying to get like that bushy look. I'm not a makeup person, y'all know I don't know much about makeup. I just kind of do some stuff. So I'm just kind of brushing my eyebrows up. I haven't gotten them done in a long time, so we definitely May need to, I don't know. But I'm basically brushing them up to get like as thick, make them look as thick as possible. And then I'm just creating kind of the shape I want my brow to be. And I'm just filling it in. Finish my makeup. It's kind of cute. I'm getting better. I'm excited. So whenever I'm gonna put on gloss, I actually put on Vaseline first to get like extra glossy look. I don't know if this is a hack. I don't know. It's just what I do. I do what I do. I'm gonna use some Fenty gloss. My Instagram model. Alright, let's go take some pictures. Let's make this real. After that, you guys, I went into makeup. So for this makeup look, I just, did my standard face. I decided to add some pink eye makeup. I've been getting so much better at applying lashes, you guys. I watched a tutorial and she said put a mirror under your nose, right here when you're putting on your lashes, and that totally changed everything. So that was my makeup look. For the outfit, you guys, I saw on Pinterest this girl was wearing a sweatsuit with heels, and I was like, I got that. So and I thought it looked kind of cute. So, and I can't think of a place where I could actually wear that, so you might as well throw it on in a photo shoot. This is the perfect opportunity to wear something that you're like, I probably wouldn't wear this out anywhere. I can't think of a place to wear this out. Or you guys know those outfits that are winter at the top, summer at the bottom, something like that, where you can't really imagine where you would wear this look or what season this look would work in. That would be the perfect outfit for your Instagram model photo shoot. Hello world. So we're all dressed, ready, about to get a chair put on my shoes. For the actual shoot setup, you guys, I decided to shoot in my studio, A, because I didn't have any sun available at the time of my shoot, and B, because I have a new studio. Check out my last video, home studio transformation, if you guys want to see the transformation of what it took to bring the studio to life. And C, I really just wanted to shoot on this pink backdrop. I feel like the studio look is really in on Instagram. I did my standard self-timer DIY photo shoot on my Canon 70D with my Sigma 18 to 200mm lens. I mainly shot on 18mm, you guys. Recently, when I'm shooting, you typically shoot on 15 shutter speed. I kind of like that softness and bringing in a lot of light. I shoot on the lowest aperture possible, and then I try to shoot on the lowest ISO possible. I did shoot on auto ISO today, but typically I try to get the lowest ISO possible so my image can be as crisp as possible. When I bring it into editing and edit that baby, I have an editing video, you guys, all about how I edit my photos, so definitely check out that video if you guys want to see how I edited these photos in particular. But that's kind of my shooting setup.
See with you, I'd be better with another, but I always pick you. I try my best to fight it, can't deny it. Touches diamonds, and you're probably the reason that I'm so messed up too. I can't stop it, it's ugly but honest. Got me tripping for the way you say my name. Say my name, say my name. Could count the ways you drive me so insane, but when you call, I still fall back into your game. Play the game, play the game. Wrong can still be right. People wanna tell me all the time that someday my prince will come, but if this ain't love, then I don't want it. Heart's not with them. Tearing up the thought of all the pieces missing. And I try to know better, to know it's worse. I swear I'm cursed, cause I know you're bad for me, but it makes no difference. No, no, I can't stop it, it's ugly but honest. Got me tripping for the way you say my name. Say my name, say my name. Wrong can still be right. People wanna tell me all the time that someday my prince will come, but if this ain't love, then I don't want it. I don't want it.
I shot with my LED light. This is just a platinum LED light that I got from Best Buy. I just have it on a lighting stand, and I'm just shooting with it on 100% 330 Kelvin, I think it's called, whatever the warmest light setting is at 100%. I like to shoot really bright to get like the Polaroid film look effect in my photos. And then I also have a softbox with 2 Philips Hue bulbs just on the standard light, and they're inside of my softbox light, and I kind of have that one lower to highlight like my lower body, because sometimes I'll just light my face and then like the light won't be even. So the softbox is lighting my lower body, the LED light is lighting my upper body. And then of course I have my seamless paper backdrop from Savage. I got this I either got this off of Amazon, or I don't know where specifically, but the company is called Savage, and that's where I get my seamless paper backdrops. And yeah, and then you just shoot, you just go for it, you have fun, you try some different angles. Like I said, I started on the ground and squatting, and I kind of came up to more standing poses, and then I felt like that was a good amount. If you're shooting for Instagram and you really think about it, you only have 10 images in a carousel, you guys, so you don't even have to take that many photos for Instagram. So once you see a few that you like, you see enough that you like, you see at least 10 that you like that you've taken, then you're good to go. Bring it into editing and you'll probably find even more that you like. Or if you don't even have 10, that's fine too. You know, you don't have to post the full carousel, but don't put too much pressure on yourself. You guys have a full-fledged photo shoot. You can have mini shoots. You could do one outfit. If you want to do 2 outfits, throw them in. Go ahead, do your thing, you guys. But that's how I did my Instagram model transformation with a DIY photo shoot. So I hope that you guys try this out too. It's the new year, why not try something new? You can check out my video all about rebranding yourself if you're trying to rebrand your look for the new year, you guys. But your girl is out of here. I hope y'all have an amazing 2021. I'm probably gonna say that in like all my January videos, but I'm out. Got this on America. Yeah, you think you know me, but you don't know me, no you don't know me. Come on, name